Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
facial microdermabrasion products
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
I am never paying for a spa treatment again.
This is the Trophy Skin UltradermMD device.
Just pick your treatment mode and the perfect tip for your skin.
It's so easy and effortless, and it doesn't hurt.
This is actually removing the dead skin from my face, and I can feel that. The diamond tip exfoliates dead skin cells, buffs away wrinkles, reducing signs of aging.
I can have spa results at home thanks to UltradermMD.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenny and welcome to my channel. Today's video I am going to do a product review that was gifted to me by NeedCrystals to try on, and of course they want to know my honest opinion about the Microdermabrasion Crystals Skincare Booster. NeedCrystals Skincare Booster is 100% exfoliating crystals that is made of pure and perfectly round 120 grit pure white aluminum oxide particles that help exfoliate to remove thick layer of dead skin cells and bring out healthy and vibrant skin. Using the provided spoon to dispense the skincare booster, I will be adding 2 scoops into my favorite cleanser, then apply the mixed microcrystals cream to my damp skin and gently massage it with my fingertips at least 1 to 2 minutes. What I like about this product is the idea that I can do my own DIY dermabrasion facial cream at home and enjoy it, and review that was gifted to me by NeedCrystals to try on, and of course they want to know my hidden crystals that is made of pure and perfectly round 120 grit pure at least 1 to 2 minutes. What I like about this product is the idea that I can do my own DIY dermabrasion facial cream at home and enjoy it. And after I use warm water to rinse my face and pat it dry, now my skin is ready for my favorite moisturizer. If you wanna
these for a while now. I actually just got this new set. It does come with 7 like it says, but this is what the kit looks like, and it actually has this little department, and that's where you'll actually put your alcohol so that you can soak it. You want to soak it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You have to be very sterile because you are punching little holes in your skin, so make sure you sanitize all of them, and you just will place it in there and then just use them. But it comes with a lot of different things. This is more for like your face. This one is for like precise, and the needle on this one is like literally insane, but that is the size of the needles. And this is for like just spot treatments, like if you have like dark spots, which I have melasma, I think that's how you say it, right here. So I am going to use that on that area. This one's for more like all over your body, like your stomach, if you have stretch marks or if you've had a kid and your skin's a little looser. This one is awesome for that. This one is more precise, like if you want to get around your nose or anything like that. It's a lot smaller. And this is more like a face wash, just like a silicone device. But yes, and then it came with this one that's off by itself. I have not opened this one yet, but this is like the one that I have. I have a 0.3, and they work amazing. They're really good for just like absorbing moistures, getting rid of wrinkles, stimulating hair growth. I highly recommend this to all you women and all you mans out there because it is a great product to have.
This was on my skin.
The MicrodermMD is an at-home microdermabrasion system that brightens, smooths, and restores your skin.
As a middle-aged woman, I look in the mirror and I definitely see more lines, more clogged pores.
The one thing about my skin is it's dull, and I always feel like I need a deep clean.
The unique diamond tip sloughs away the dead skin cells, leaving your skin glowing.
It's completely painless and so easy to use.
The 3 different modes allows me to choose the different intensity for different parts of my skin.
I can see immediate results as soon as I use the device.
Seriously, I am never paying for another spa treatment again.
The benefits of microdermabrasion are promoting the collagen and elastin in your face. So it gives your skin that firmness and structure that we all want, keeps your skin looking younger. I've been using the Personal Microderm for about 5 years now, and I am loving it. It has made my skin so smooth. I feel like my fine lines and wrinkles are pretty much gone. The darker spots on my skin are pretty much gone. I have a lot fewer blemishes as well. I use my Personal Microderm once a week, and it takes me about 5 minutes, and it's super fast, super easy, super convenient. There's really not much difference between an in-office microdermabrasion and the Personal Microderm. You're really going to get the same benefits whether you go to somebody and pay lots more money versus doing it at home once a week. Being a master esthetician is kind of ironic. I really don't do a lot of treatments on myself in a spa setting. So really at home, using my Personal Microderm once a week is it. And my skincare, that's it.
Hi, my name is Dr. Adrienne Dennis. I have my firming facial microdermabrasion cream here. This is a very important product. If you are oily, it's going to be your best friend. If you are normal, even then, if you have porousness here, clogged pores around here, forehead, you are going to love this because it will give you visible results very, very quickly. In fact, if you are oily, use it every day in the shower. Scrub, scrub, scrub. In a very short time, your pores will start to clear. The oiliness will change. You'll see. Okay, so how does it work? This is a 2-phase microdermabrasion cream. This is not an ordinary microdermabrasion cream. There is a glycolic acid phase here. Why do I have a glycolic acid phase here? Because it starts to loosen dead old skin cells on top. It loosens the bond between dead old skin cells. It also loosens the dirt that is trapped into the pores on your nose, on your forehead. Then you have the second phase, which is the mechanical phase, microbeads. These are not plastic microbeads. These are actually pumice stone. That's what is the bead. In addition, I have a good number of wonderful botanical ingredients in here. I have aloe vera, I have almond extract, I have olive extract, I have hops extract. That is something to do with beer, but very anti-inflammatory. People love it. And then I have chamomile in there to soothe the skin. This is a potent, beautiful, natural product that will make a huge difference, especially if you are oily or you have normal skin. But even if you have dry skin, once a week, dermabrade your skin. It's a deep, wonderful treatment. Then you put on my Hydro Shield serum and you will feel that you are in